Camping shovels are an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. There are many products available to choose camping shovels, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping shovels from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is a heavy-duty carbon steel military-style entrenching tool designed for off-roading, camping, gardening, beach digging, and more. It features a tough pickaxe and sharp saw teeth, and folds into a 9x6 carry case for easy portability. Customers praise its sturdy construction and multifunctional use, though some note that it is not the most lightweight shovel for backpacking. Number 2. Sahara Sailor Survival Shovel. The Sahara Sailor Shovel is a versatile and unbreakable survival tool that is perfect for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Made with military-grade solid carbon steel and aerospace-grade anodized aluminum tubes, this shovel is sturdy enough to handle any survival situation or car truck emergency. It features 12 other functions and tools, including a saw, knife, whistle, and bottle opener, making it a must-have for any camping trip. The shovel is collapsible and portable, making it easy to store and carry. With a lifetime warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee, the Sahara Sailor Shovel is the last camping and survival tool you'll ever need. Number 3. Military Folding Camping Shovel. The Ogtooth 18 Military Folding Camping Shovel is a lightweight, versatile tool perfect for camping, gardening, entrenching, hiking, backpacking, and car emergencies. Made of 50-hash high-carbon steel, it is rust-resistant and anti-deformation, with a triangular large handle design that is anti-slip and reduces hand fatigue and wrist strain. It folds up compactly into a small bag and comes with a heavy-duty nylon case with a loop backside and sponge inside. Ogtooth offers a 90-day hassle-free warranty policy. Number 4. Redcamp 22/8 Military Folding Camping Shovel. The Redcamp Military Folding Camping Shovel is a multifunctional tool made from 50-hash high-carbon steel and a comfortable triangular handle. It is ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, fishing, hunting, and gardening outdoor activities. It folds up small and comes with a carrying pouch, making it easy to transport. Customers have praised its versatility, durability, and affordability. Number 5. 18/5 Military Folding Camping Shovel. The Himutane Military Folding Camping Shovel is a necessary outdoor survival gear that is perfect for various activities such as gardening, camping, hiking, and backpacking. Made with high-quality materials, this collapsible spade is built to last long with its rust resistance and anti-deformation properties. Its multi-application design allows for digging, shoveling, sawing, chopping, and entrenching, making it a versatile tool for any outdoor enthusiast. The portable and compact size of the shovel makes it easy to carry and store, with a length of 18/5 when extended and just 7/5 when folded into the included free nylon bag. Additionally, Himutane offers a 12-month warranty, ensuring that customers receive the support they need. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.